talks going on between the farmer groups and the government. Now, senior cabinet ministers Piyush Goyal and Narendra Tomar, who is the agriculture minister, are currently meeting with the representatives of the farmers protesting in and around Delhi since last week. Now, what the government has suggested is a committee or a panel be formed to discuss the issue of agricultural laws against which the farmers have been protesting. Remember, for the last 6 days, thousands of farmers are parked on various highways leading into Delhi. Well, let's go across to NDTV's Sanket for the latest that we're hearing from this meeting taking place. Sanket, tell us, what are you hearing about this proposed panel that the government is saying should be formed to discuss the agricultural laws?
Yes, Gargi. As far as the government is concerned, in this big meeting, the meeting that was advanced from the 3rd of December to the 1st of December, the government proposed that there should be a constant dialogue. That was the intention behind this proposal, that there should be a constant dialogue between the farmer unions as well as the government. And their proposal was that in order to carry on this constant dialogue, there should be 4 to 5 people who should represent collectively the views of all the farmers. And then they can be a part of a government committee. There will be representatives of the agricultural ministry, representatives from the government as a part of this committee. There will be agricultural experts also as a part of this committee. So the government proposed that there should be some sort of a body that will look into all the concerns and take a holistic view and perhaps discuss at length, threadbare, the various aspects of these new farm laws. Deliberation is on as of this moment, but from what we are gathering from our sources, a majority of the farmer unions are not in favor of a committee like this. If you recall, in the past also, the government has made a similar proposal which was rejected, in fact, by many of the farmer associations. So what exactly are these farmer associations going to do who are in attendance in this meeting? Will they agree or not? As of this moment, they seem a little skeptical, but on their part, they feel that all the proposals that the government is coming up with, in none of these proposals are they addressing the main issue of concern of the farmers. What are the main issues? As far as the farmers are concerned, main issue number 1 is that they want an assurance on MSP. Now, even the JJP, which is an alliance partner of the BJP in Haryana, in the Haryana government, is saying you might want to assure the farmers as far as a minimum support price is concerned. That crucial issue is still open. There is a verbal assurance, but not a written assurance, and no communication on that aspect as well. Then, of course, there is a lot of concern over privatization taking place. A number of private players are going to come in and is going to go against the interest of the farmers. I'm only talking about the larger picture, the larger concerns that have been represented by the farmers. Even on that point, the government has not really come clean. So these 2-3 important issues, the government has not really been able to satisfy the farmers, but they feel, the government on its part feels, Gargi, that this is going to be a process in continuum. The government feels that it is very important on their part to be able to convince the farmers that the new laws are in their interest, whereas the farmers say, this farmers association that had gone into dialogue, they said that they wanted these laws to be scrapped, these laws to be removed or rolled back or taken back. The government clearly not in the mood to accept that proposal. Their proposal is, let's talk further.
All right, Sanket, thanks so much for bringing us those details of what is being discussed, this panel being proposed. Neeta joins us from outside Vigyan Bhavan, where that meeting is taking place, and Ghazali as well from near Sonipat, where the farmers are protesting. Neeta, it's been a 3-hour-long meeting so far, and all morning all the media were reporting about how Rajnath Singh was going to lead these negotiations. However, it is the agriculture minister and Piyush Goyal, and for the moment, it seems this proposal of a panel has been made.
Yes, Gargi, if you could recall, yesterday the Prime Minister, gave a broad guideline as to what the government's thinking is, how the government is proposing to go ahead with this. The farmers, on their hand, have been demanding 3 things. They have been saying that legalize MSP, the fine which has been imposed on parali burning should be minimized, and thirdly, annul the existing laws. However, the government, as Sanket was pointing out, they are saying that these laws would ultimately benefit the farmers. Here in this 3-hour-long meeting, there was a tea break also. During the tea break also, the government functionaries were speaking to the farmers' representatives. However, the farmers are very adamant They are still saying that they are sticking to their 3 laws, and they have negated that they don't want to do anything with this committee, because earlier also when this meeting had taken place in November, that time also the government had proposed the same committee to be formed, but the most of the farmers' unions are against it. Meanwhile, Gargi, the reports which are reaching North Block, the Ministry of Home Affairs, that the numbers are now swelling up across Delhi borders, whether it's Tikri border or the Singhu border. Already, there are reports that farmers are reaching as far as from Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh to support these agitating farmers. And the security forces who are on ground, they have been asked by center to, to ensure that no kind of force is being used to, restrain their action in order to control any kind of situation, any kind of law and order which is arising in the border. The farmers, on their hand, have, threatened that they are going to gherav Delhi from all the 5 entry points, to which the Ministry of Home Affairs has said that they have stationed almost 25 companies who have been pressed in action all across Delhi borders to maintain law and order. Gargi?
All right.